What's good, whānau? Welcome back to another episode of a Māori phrase a day. Yeah, let's get into it, eh? Our Māori phrase for today, ko te wā me te aroha, te whakamutunga o ngā mea katoa, which translates to time and love are the end of all things. So for me, this means time and love with your loved ones is very important, whānau. And when you are with your loved ones, you should give them all your time and energy and love, because you never know when it's going to be the last time. This Māori phrase goes out to my dad. Happy birthday, Dad. Hope you'll keep watching over us, keep loving over us, and see you with us again. And always remember, stay positive, be kind to one another, whānau. It's a good day to love your whānau, so go ahead and love your whānau. Cha-cha.